Hey, superstar! We are super excited to bring you to Sugaring NYC for a sweet service. We will be showing you how to film an awesome TikTok or Instagram reel to capture all the highlights of your experience. So grab your camera phones and let's get started. Okay, first things first. Let's start with some exterior shots of the salon. Capture the entrance with the Sugaring NYC logo. Remember to show the salon's name and beautiful decor. Find those fabulous selfie or flower walls. Don't miss the opportunity to showcase the products. Now, it's time for some mirror shots. Find a mirror and get creative. Show off your excitement before your appointment. When it's time for your service, let's capture the highlights without exposing any intimate body parts. Consider focusing on the sugar paste being used. This is the star of the show. Our sugarista will be happy to show you the glob of sugar anytime. At the end of your visit, it's essential to show appreciation for your sugarista's time and talent. Tips are greatly appreciated for the excellent service you have received. It's time to edit and add a voiceover. You can use the free video editing app called CapCut or utilize the editing tools available within Instagram or TikTok. And there you have it. You've just learned how to film your TikToks and Instagram Reels during your visit to Sugaring NYC. Remember to have fun, be authentic, and showcase the amazing experience you had. Don't forget to tag Sugaring NYC, use relevant hashtags, and share your video with your followers. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And we can't wait to see your awesome content.